This year will mark our 22nd Soul Beach Music Festival. 19 of them have taken place here in Aruba. So out of the 22 years that we've done this, the majority have been here, and there's a reason why, because Aruba has been a perfect destination and it created a special vibe, energy over all these years for friends and families and new tourists that we call newbies to get together for a whole week of music, dancing, and laughter. We especially want to thank ATA and all of you, our Aruba family, that have come together to make this happen over the years. Without the partnership of so many Aruban companies, of people that worked with us during the festivals, some of the people that helped us recruit people from different countries, including St. Martin, G Money in the back, and Curacao. All of this over the years has turned into, really not just a U.S. event, it's like a combined regional event all together internationally. And I think that we've seen this festival grow now from, its humble beginnings on Surfside Beach, next to Club Havana, which became Club Nikki Beach, which is now Reflections, I guess. Coming from that location, and then even then, back in 2003 when we started there was a special vibe and energy. We would have artists that would come in and they might have attitude when they came in because, they've been on the plane all day and they just did 3 shows back to back. And, we bring them into the beach and then immediately their whole persona changed and they would just come out, and we have some of the best shows that I think some of the performers have ever put on. So I think the quality of music that we've had over the years has really been, again, because of the vibe and the creation of feeling at home that was established here in Aruba.
Hoop contento di formar parte di Soul Beach Aruba, maneira você é evento que traz turismo para Aruba, hoop visitors, dus konang assim sempre para nós é importante para formar parte de G. A maneira que nós ajudamos sempre está com technology, dus telecomunicação durante todo o concerto que nós temos e durante toda a festa que temos para simang de Soul Beach. Pay.aw di pabasta tempo acaba nós temos module kuta events, hopi evento local já acaba usando Pay.aw para maneira de vender carte e de ano passado Soul Beach também a teste, ela gostei assim na hopi que aí a trobe ela acercar-nos para a nossa bampone carte de Soul Beach porta obtenibel via Pay.aw também. Sa que tá assim que se botin nele comprar via Pay.aw e tem uma entrada à parte que eu sei que bono me separadeira é largo que se botin ticket normal. Pay.aw, dia não que binte com o webs me que se já webs nós tem preço especial que está $70, que está 30% mais barato que o ticket normal de Soul Beach. Eta para como promoção para começo de Soul Beach, dus não tem ele como promoção de $70 para o mercado local. Me invita a gente para download Pay.aw, maneira você sabe Pay.aw não é somente para evento, você paga o mar, você paga o recibo de Setar, te ensina a coisas que você pode fazer com Pay.aw, que facilita a vida seguro. E pensar que também me dá se você quer ter vai weekend de Soul Beach e você quer preço mais barato, a é obtenibel dentro Pay.aw.